Good afternoon. I did not have any plans on hopping on today, but I wanted to show you my favorite lip right now. I know it's not summer, I know it's fall, but they say your lips can tell your personality, so this should tell you what my personality is. I am going to be using Popular lip pencil, and I am going to be using Ladylike lip gloss. I am a lip gloss person more so than I am anything, but I also enjoy our Splash liquid lipsticks as well. But I'm gonna also put a little bit of Hottie on when I'm all done, just to perk those old lady lips up just a little bit. So I'm going to line my lips with this first, and then I'm going to put on the lip gloss on top. And because I cannot see, I have to use my mirror. I'm going to use it on the magnifying side so I can really see. So if you know me, you already know what my personality is, and some may or may not appreciate that, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm just going to line my lips with the Popular, which is kind of an orangey corally color, and a lot of people also put it more all over your lip, so I'm kind of in the middle. Depends on how bright I want it. If I were to go to school, I would not put it all over my lip because I might scare some little kids. But if I were going to a wedding reception or something where I could be a little more formal, I would put it all over. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it all over, because it's Taco Tuesday and I'm going to be going to the Legion to pick up dinner soon. And why not? Okay, so I've lined my lips with Popular. Now I'm going to take my lucrative lip gloss in Ladylike and just put it on top. This is also a corally color, but it's kind of a sheer corally color, so I'll show you what that looks like. So that's okay. So then we have that on top. Now, do you see what I mean when I say bright? It's really quite bright. If you needed to, you could even blot some of it off with a paper towel or a Kleenex or something, but I like it bright. I'm also going to take some of my Lip Hottie, which is our new lip plumper that came out this summer and sold out in like 30 minutes. It hasn't yet to do that this time around, but that's okay. It's not super brand new, but it's just a light clear, maybe a little tint of and that will help plump my lips later. It takes about 10-15 minutes, and it's just a really nice kind of a pepperminty addition to your lips. It doesn't burn, it doesn't hurt, it's pretty mild. Just so you know, the reason why people are doing a lot of these lip colors right now is we were just told by corporate yesterday, as kind of the end of the month little boost there, that any order that has a lip product in it will ship for free. So you save yourself $5.50 shipping. even if you just get a lip bonbon, which is our tinted lip balm, lip gloss, if you want the lip exfoliator, any lip product, lip pencil, lipstick, lip gloss, liquid lipstick, anything that you apply to that order using a lip product, you'll ship for free completely. So that's a really good opportunity to get products without having to pay shipping, because if you don't have to, why would you? Save a couple. So Bright Lip, again, I used Popular lip pencil and Ladylike lip gloss and a little bit of Hottie Lip Plumper. So if you need some lip products or just want an order, you can even message me and I will put that in for you, or you can message me and I can give you my link if you want. Okay? Any questions, just let me know. Thank you.